Hi everyone, my name is Kirby Piazza. I live in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. I know I've seen some of your faces before in other classes, so hello again. And to everyone I have not seen, or if you've not seen my name pop up before, nice to meet you. Um, for my experience learning research, I think the last time I learned research or did any sort of research in a setting like this was in my undergrad, and I absolutely hated it. I felt like it was just this awful thing, and I just did not enjoy doing research. And I always said when I was, if I would ever go to grad school, I'd never do a thesis because I never wanted to have to do research and, do that kind of thing. So, interestingly enough, we are here in a research class. So I'm hoping that to make it out alive. As far as things that would make research fun for me, I think if I can apply what I'm researching and use it right away, I think it would be a lot more fun for me. I think in the past, things that I was researching, I just wasn't interested in, and it made it really difficult for me to, one, absorb the information, and two, do anything with it. I just kind of did it to get over the class, to get through it. But, if I can find research and do research that applies to my life or what I'm trying to do or something that's really exciting to me, I think it could be really fun. And then after looking at the syllabus, what excites me about this course, I think just the way that the course was set up to us excites me. It sounds like it's not going to be as bad as I think it's going to be. I did see the name and it felt really daunting coming into this class, so I was a little hesitant to be excited. But I think just learning how to enjoy research and seeing how that's going to affect my life as a social worker and how that I can really benefit from research is going to be really beneficial to me. So thank you for watching, and good luck to everyone in the class.